Archetype fabrication for visual interaction complete. Previously, on Captain Saber Home.
Hi, I'm Captain Saber Home.
Hello, I'm just a naturally intelligent system. You can call me Janice.
Welcome to Greenfield,
Seven Oaks,
Shafter, Delano, Rosedale, Stockdale, Pumpkin Center, Bakersfield Central, Green Acres,
Wasco,
Guernsey Mill,
Weibel Orchard, California.
Shall we get started?
Let's do this.
The previous crew decided to abort the mission.
Well, that's a dick move.
We would be happy to have. Previously, on the Captain's shorts. Looks like we will have it done before we even get there.
Calm down, ladies. It's not that kind of show.
We will be in and out in no time. Size does not matter. This video has been marked fun-sized. We almost need to look up, to look down.
Hey, my eyes are up here. We'll make this short and sweet.
Previously, on Last Minutes. Previously, on the Captain's Holiday PSA.
Happy Christmas, Kwanzaa,
And yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Festivus to the rest of it.
And welcoming our newest addition.
What? Oh, do better. Damn! Hi there. I'm Captain Saber Home.
And I am Janice.
Apparently it doesn't know who I am. If you don't know me already, I won't hold it against you. It's your friends that suck. Either way, welcome to the Captain's Holiday PSA.
End of year. New Year's Eve. 2023 edition.
But first, let's talk about the aftermath of Christmas.
When the gift exchanging is done, there is usually an excessive amount of wrapping paper and gifts, covering the family room, and more than likely throughout the rest of the house.
If these images look familiar, you've got a few days to clean up before the next natural disaster that you end up involving yourself in. And those natural disasters are the aftermath of the New Year's Eve activities, which may include a full-blown New Year's Eve party, a small, intimate New Year's Eve party. Depending on who you have it planned with, there are several options that you can use as far as activities, like board games, video games, movie marathons, TV marathons, or hey, why not a Captain Saber Home marathon? Other activities may be larger, adult-oriented parties which involve alcohol. So anybody that's hosting the party, it might be a good idea to confiscate everybody's car keys. We don't want anybody going home drunk. So we want those people actually driven home or stay in place and sleep it off for the rest of the night. It's dangerous to be on the road after drinking. It's dangerous on the road after other people have been drinking and then driving. If you really want to get down to it, there's going to be checkpoints all over the place. Fireworks are exciting and a good way to celebrate. Unfortunately, some people like to be stupid. They like to fire off aerial fireworks where there isn't enough clear space for those fireworks to be safe. In some states, they are actually illegal for that very reason. So to protect yourself, have water hoses on the ready, both at the front and the back of your house, in case some idiot wants to lob off bottle rockets or start flinging fireworks one direction or the other. If you are going to be setting off fireworks, make sure that you have a safe area to do so, preferably in a wet location, or at least surrounded by a wet location, and water hoses at the ready. If you live in a dry area, water the surrounding areas down, unless you live in a frozen area, and then it's already taken care of. This will keep you, your family, and your property safe. When the countdown comes, put your firearms away, lock them back up. There is no logical or legal reason for you to shoot off your firearms when the clock strikes midnight, or in any form of celebration. That's just flat out stupid. Don't be an asshole. There's a few good luck traditions for New Year's Eve. and New Year's Day that I like to share. One originates in Spain, which involves eating one grape per time at the stroke of midnight. It's believed that it will give you good luck. And a tradition that I'm more familiar with is eating black-eyed peas during your first meal is supposed to also give you good luck for the coming year. It's believed that whatever you do on the first day of the year is basically what you will be doing throughout the whole year. With that tradition, it's said that you want to be responsible with what you do that first day, because that is supposedly setting a trajectory for what the rest of your year is going to be. We've all had one hell of a year, depending on which side of the pendulum it's swinging. If you thought we had something to offer in 2023, just wait until you see 2024. So you want to be careful, you want to be safe. Happy New Year from all of us.
Coming soon to YouTube.